अस्सलाम वालेकुम। बहुत अच्छा माहौल है यहाँ पर। बहुत अच्छा लगता है। सब मिलकर रमज़ान का फेस्टिवल मना रहे हैं। आपको पता भी नहीं लगेगा, पर मैं इस्लाम से नहीं हूँ, मैं फिजी से हूँ। और पर इस दुनिया में जहाँ पर इतना हेट्रेड है, हम सब मिलकर प्रेम बढ़ा रहे हैं। सब एक दूसरे का फेस्टिवल शेयर कर रहे हैं। And we live together, we share together, and we love together.
Hi everyone, I'm Stephanie Bow. I'm here for the Ramadan Eid festival, and I've dressed up in a hijab to honor the culture and tradition of Islam and to respect Ramadan. I have really enjoyed my show today, and I'm here to cheer you up. So thank you for being here, and thank you a lot for having the patience to see us through. Thank you, take care, and enjoy Ramadan once again.
As a non-Muslim to be part of this, very welcoming here, the community, and I've had a great chance to be part of this and celebrate Eid with everyone here.
I would like to wish Muslim community Ramadan Mubarak, and it's showcasing different cultures of all the cultures of Muslims all over the world. Today it was amazing experience for all the people, all the ladies came from different background, not even non-Muslims. It was a totally amazing experience bringing the all the Muslim cultures together.
After doing this fashion show, I feel so confident. Like a lot of children can benefit from doing fashion shows like this. You know, getting up here, all these strangers, these random people, and then you go up and you're doing your fashion show. You're showing off your clothes, or your hair, or your shoes, and yeah, it's very hard work. And thank you for watching.
Wait 1 second. Okay, look towards me, look towards me. 1, 2, 3. Couple more. Thank you. Well done, well done.